Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a feature-packed smartwatch that blends style, utility, and smart technology in one compact wearable. This is the 1.83-inch smartwatch for Android and iPhone users, built with Alexa integration, fitness tracking, and a sleek design that claims to suit both men and women. But how good is it really? Let's find out. Right out of the box, you get two quick-release straps. Swapping them out takes just seconds, and the lightweight design, only 38 grams, makes it feel like you're not wearing anything at all. Despite the lightweight, the 1.83-inch HD screen stands out with vibrant color, crisp resolution, and a modern interface. It's super responsive, and navigating through the menus feels smooth. To get started, you'll need to charge the watch and install the VeryFit app. It's compatible with Android 6.0 and above or iOS 9.0 and up. No tablets or computers though. Pairing is quick, and once you're connected, the watch syncs everything, from steps and workouts to sleep tracking and notifications. Now let's talk about what makes this smartwatch more than just a pretty face. It's packed with wellness features. You get 24/7 heart rate monitoring, SpO2 tracking, and even stress level analysis. If things get too hectic, guided breathing exercises are just a tap away. There's also sleep tracking, which monitors your stages throughout the night, though it doesn't record naps. For women, there's built-in menstrual cycle tracking and hydration reminders too. This smartwatch really shines as a fitness companion. With over 100 sport modes, it adapts to almost any activity. It auto-detects running and walking, tracks calories, distance, and steps in real time. Whether you're hitting the gym, walking the dog, or swimming, the IP68 rating means it's water-resistant for most situations. Just don't take it into hot baths, saunas, or diving. One feature that seriously surprised me: built-in calling. You can make and receive calls directly from the watch once it's connected to your phone through the app. The mic and speaker are surprisingly clear for this price range. Plus, app notifications from WhatsApp, SMS, and others come through with both sound and vibration alerts. You can even tweak the settings or flip on Do Not Disturb mode when needed. And yes, it has Alexa built in. You can activate it with the power button or icon on screen. Ask it to set timers, check the weather, control smart devices, all without touching your phone. Customization is another bonus. You can choose from over 100 watch faces to match your outfit or mood, giving you a personal touch every day. Whether you want minimal info or a colorful digital dashboard, there's something for everyone. So, here's the bottom line. This smartwatch offers an impressive mix of style, smart features, and fitness tools at an accessible price point. It's not trying to compete with premium models, but for most users, especially those on Android or iPhone, it's a compelling and complete everyday smartwatch. If you're looking for value, versatility, and Alexa in your wearable, this might just be your next favorite gadget. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into tech gear that actually delivers. See you in the next one.